Excel is filled with tons of great shortcuts, and one of my favorites is one that allows you to enter the same data in multiple locations at the same time. In column R, suppose we're gathering sales or contact data from different cities. It so happens that some of these city entries might be repeating. So maybe in these two cells here, but not the next two, and then maybe the one down here. So I'm about to hold down the Control key as I select some other cells. And I'm looking at my sheet of paper here that has this city name that's reappearing here multiple times. It's going to be, for example, Denver. I'm going to type Denver. Now, as I type this, it looks as if it's only going into one location. But I'm going to press Control-Enter, and the same information goes in all of those. That's a lot simpler than typing in the entry once and then trying to copy it to different locations. So we can select non-contiguous cells, type an entry, press Control-Enter, and whatever we've typed goes into all those cells. It works with text, it works with values. Maybe as I'm looking at the data here, maybe this cell right here, and now holding down the Control key, these two cells here, and this one are going to have the value 100. So I'll just type in 100, press Control-Enter. And this feature also works with formulas. I might want to put in some totals here as well as over here. We can highlight these in no particular order. Maybe I'll highlight this first. Oh, and then it occurs to me I want to put the same kind of total over in columns B through F. So holding down the Control key here, I'll highlight these cells as well. And I'm about to type a function that's going to tabulate information just for column B. Now I might do sum or average. Maybe I'll do a median, equal median, the middle value. So I'm typing this as if I'm only doing this for the current cells, highlight this data, and normally I would press Enter if I were doing this for only one cell, but I'm going to press Control-Enter. And the same relative formula goes in all of these cells. There's a median there, there's a median there, and surely over here as well. This can be a great time saver whenever you're either entering data or making corrections. Also, you realize there's a mistake here. This 52 should have been a 50. It so happens there's a number over here that should have been a 50 also. Maybe it's this one right there, so Control-Click. So those two cells are highlighted. We're going to type 50 and press Control-Enter. This is a great time saver. I use it often. I think you might also.